How to fix Cash App, your bank account declined this payment. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to fix if Cash App, your bank declined this payment error is occurring in your mobile device while using the Cash App. So the first thing first is that you need to do is just simply open your Play Store or your App Store, and after that just simply check whether there is a latest version of a Cash App updated in your mobile device or not if you are using the Cash App application. And if you see that your Cash App is not up to date, just simply go ahead and update your Cash App app itself. And after that you can also go ahead and go to your settings in the mobile device and just simply clear all the cache regarding the Cash App from your mobile itself, so that there is no error or glitch while you are making the transfer and that is getting declined. So you can check whether there is cache or there is some a junk file, so you can go ahead and remove that. And after that just simply open your Cash App account again and check whether the error is still occurring or not. And if you see that the error is still there, so all you can do is just simply go to the profile section from the top right corner, and over here just simply scroll till the bottom of the page and click on the support section from the last option. And over here just simply click on the browse categories, under which you will find the option called accounts and settings. Just simply tap on it, and you can select the reason through which you want to contact the customer care support team. So I'm going to select the first option, which is accessing your account. And when you scroll till the bottom of the page again, you will find the option called chat. Just simply tap on it, and over here under the chat option just simply go ahead and start talking to the Cash App customer team and tell them that your payment is keep getting declined while you're making the transfer from your Cash App account, and the Cash App team will definitely contact you and reach out to you and helping with you regarding solving the problem which you're facing regarding declining the payment every now and then. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to fix the declined Cash App transfer problem that you are facing. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.